She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and whip up a delicious savory dinner meal idea. I'm going to go ahead and take what I have and just make a delicious meatball baked spaghetti. So this is going to kind of be like your normal baked spaghetti, but with a twist. We're going to go ahead and add some homemade meatballs to the mix. If you want to, you can go ahead and buy the frozen, no big deal, but I just prefer the homemade taste of a meatball sometimes over the frozen ones. So if the idea of a tasty meatball baked spaghetti sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. And share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of each and every time I drop a brand new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here's my version of a tasty meatball baked spaghetti where we've got the homemade sauce along with the homemade meatballs, and then the noodles were tossed in that delicious Parmesan cheese and parsley mixture. Then we topped it off with some delicious mozzarella cheese. You can't go wrong with this, guys, especially if you're a lover of spaghetti and meatballs. So I definitely recommend you give it a try. Tweak it any way you like. Regardless, it's still going to be tasty. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also guys, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Tell me if you guys did enjoy this recipe today. If you can, share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you're still not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a brand new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.